Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. Not too long ago, I discovered these wide piping tips, so in this video, I am testing them to see if they are any good. Although they are quite easy to use, it doesn't seem like they are good for decorating cupcakes. They are probably better for decorating cakes or sheet cakes. The shape of the wide piping tips doesn't really seem to make a difference. The square and heart shapes didn't show as well, and the only design that looked good was piping blobs of it. So have you tried using these wide piping tips before? How would you use these piping tips to decorate desserts? If you're interested in getting them, I put some links in the video description. I hope that you enjoyed this product testing video. Thank you for watching and have a sweet day.